In this video, I'll show you how to track scroll depth in Google Tag Manager. Start by signing into your Google Tag Manager account and open the container for your website. Next, click Triggers from the left menu, then click New to create a new trigger. After that, click Trigger Configuration and select Scroll Depth. Choose whether you want to track vertical scroll depth or horizontal scroll depth. Now enter the scroll percentages you want to track, such as 25, 50, 75, and 100. Under this trigger fires on, choose All Pages or Some Pages, depending on where you want to measure scrolling. Next, click Save, then go to Tags and create a new Google Analytics GA4 event tag, or edit an existing event tag. Select your Google tag, enter an event name such as scroll_depth, and attach the scroll depth trigger you just created. Finally, click Preview to test the trigger, then click Submit and Publish to make your changes live. Check the real-time report in Google Analytics 4 to confirm that your scroll events are being received. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to track scroll depth in Google Tag Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.